My name is Donna, and I'm a chief mate for Washington State Ferries. I love being able to take people to the San Juan Islands. When I see people getting on the ferry, they get into more of a vibe of relaxing and enjoying the moment. There's 3 main stops. The final stop is San Juan Island. When you get there from the ferry dock, you are in town. You really can walk from the ferry to anywhere you want to go in the town of Friday Harbor. There's a lot of shops, restaurants, museums. If you go out further on the island, there's a ton of history to explore. This is the most populated island that the ferry goes to, but everything still runs on island time. There is not one single traffic light. There's an island spirit on San Juan Island that's hard to describe. I feel very lucky to share my home with people.